Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. The idea behind intermittent fasting is to restrict calorie intake during certain times of the day or week to achieve weight loss, improve metabolic health, and promote longevity. There are several different types of intermittent fasting, but the most common ones are time-restricted feeding. This involves limiting your eating to a specific time window each day, such as eating only between noon and 8 p.m. Alternate day fasting. This involves eating normally one day and then restricting calories to 500 to 600 calories the next day. 5-2 diet. This involves eating normally 5 days a week and then restricting calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and improved brain function. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, particularly those with a history of disordered eating or certain medical conditions. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or eating pattern. Here are 25 steps to do intermittent fasting. Choose the type of intermittent fasting that suits your lifestyle and health goals. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you have any medical conditions or take medications. Set a realistic goal and timeline for your intermittent fasting plan. Keep track of your progress by taking measurements and keeping a food journal. Start gradually by fasting for shorter periods and then gradually increase the fasting time. Make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and other non-caloric beverages during the fasting periods. Plan your meals ahead of time and choose healthy, nutrient-dense foods to break the fast. Consider incorporating exercise into your intermittent fasting routine to maximize the health benefits. Stay busy during the fasting periods to avoid boredom and temptation to snack. Use tools such as apps, timers, or fasting groups to help you stay accountable and motivated. Avoid overeating during the eating periods, as this can offset the benefits of fasting. Try to maintain a consistent schedule of fasting and eating to establish a routine. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your fasting plan accordingly. Consider using supplements such as multivitamins, electrolytes, or caffeine to support your fasting routine. Stay mindful of your body's needs and don't push yourself too hard if you feel unwell or dizzy. Avoid foods and beverages that break the fast, such as sugary drinks or snacks. Consider incorporating fasting-friendly foods and beverages such as coffee, tea, bone broth, or low-calorie snacks. Listen to your body and take breaks from fasting if you need to. Stay patient and persistent, as the benefits of intermittent fasting may take time to manifest. Avoid comparing yourself to others and focus on your own goals and progress. Try to maintain a balanced and healthy lifestyle outside of fasting, including adequate sleep, stress management, and regular exercise. Be open to adjusting your fasting plan as needed based on your body's response and feedback. Stay informed and up to date on the latest research and recommendations on intermittent fasting. Seek support from friends, family, or a community of fasting enthusiasts. Celebrate your achievements and progress along the way, no matter how small they may seem.